Welcome aboard the Master EComposer Element series, where we unlock the secrets to e-commerce success. Today, we're delving into the heart of online retail optimization, spotlighting a game-changing tool, the EComposer Related Product Element. So, let's skip the missed sales and boost your bottom line. Step 1. Add Shopify Related Product Element. First, ensure you have the EComposer Shopify Page Builder app in your store. If you haven't installed the app, click and download EComposer using the link below. Then, from Shopify Admin, go to Apps, select EComposer Page Builder. The EComposer app dashboard is opening in front of you. Before we start, I have to notice that the EComposer Related Product Element only works on the product and cart pages. You can find the full guide to building these page types in our EComposer YouTube channel. That's why, to access the EComposer editor, I need to select a product page or cart page template. You can click Start Building to create a new page or choose an existing template you have made before. In this video, I'm going to pick a product page. The EComposer editor is opening. From now on, I will decide on the desired position to place my related product section. Then, go to the Element tab, search for related products, and drag and drop it to the destination. Step 2. Configure Related Product Element. Now, let's dive right into the most important part of this video, Configure Related Product Extension. After dropping the element, you will see numerous pre-built related product list templates. Just grab one to build this section faster. You can choose Use Style Only or use Full Preset. Now, exit to customize the content of this element. With the EComposer Related Product Element, you can pick up the list of items based on given conditions, such as product type, product vendor, and product collection. Based on EComposer algorithm, this element will showcase a list of products similar to the main product in your chosen conditions. You can choose more than one condition. Secondly, choose your layout, whether you prefer a grid, list, or slider view. EComposer offers versatile options to suit your store's aesthetic. If you select slider layout, remember to configure slider settings. In the slider settings, you can control aspects like infinite loop and autoplay to create an engaging browsing experience. With style, you can customize the appearance of your related products. Select the image ratio as choose the image ratio as adapt to image, portrait, or square. Based on your chosen layout, you should adjust the maximum products to show and items per row flexibly to suit the overall page design.
Adjust column gap and row gap.
Turn on Show Product Available Only. Show the featured image first. Disable Lazy Load Image. Enable Preload. Now, let's move on to the product card settings. Here, you can fine-tune the appearance and functionality of each product card. Enable Show Second Image on hover to give customers a closer look at your products. If you want to include product descriptions, toggle on Show Short Description and set the maximum word count. Customize the product variant settings to ensure customers can easily find and select their desired products.
You can pick your favorite layout for your related products variant picker.
But that's not all. With EComposer, you can add countdown promos and customize text to create a sense of urgency and excitement among your customers. Moving on to design, you can adjust the appearance of product items to their normal state when hovered over. And remember product images, customize their size, alignment, and visual effects to make them pop. Bonus: if you want to show the related products list by a condition, for instance, show related products When the customer chooses to view an item supplied by EComposer demo vendor, you can set it up in EComposer element condition at the Advanced tab here. We have created a full tutorial about that incredible feature. Watch and learn now. Step 3. Save and publish. Once you finish all settings, let's save and publish. Then, see your ideal related product section on the live site. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you can create related product sections that enhance your customers' shopping experience and boost your sales and conversion rates. Ready to take your online store to new heights? Visit EComposer and start creating captivating related product sections today. Please give a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel to receive the newest videos that can make your Shopify web page creation path much faster and easier. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.